Hello and welcome to our channel. Here you'll improve your English listening skills through inspiring stories and real-life lessons. So stay with us till the end, because today's story will motivate you and maybe you might connect yourself with it. And at the end of the video, you will get some bonus point. So let's start the video. Life often tests us in unexpected ways. Sometimes challenges push us to become stronger than we ever imagined. Today's story is about a student from Mukherjee Nagar and how he turned his struggles into success. In the heart of Delhi, in Mukherjee Nagar, lived a young student named Amit. For many years, he had been preparing for government exams. He dreamed of a secure future, but destiny had other plans. One day, his family received good news. His sister's marriage was fixed. The family was happy, but soon a demand came from the groom's side. His father says,
They are asking for dowry. How will I arrange so much money? My son, it's time you join a job. I need your help to arrange money for your sister's marriage.
Amit understood his father's pain. He immediately started searching for a job. He went to many MNC companies, gave interviews, and waited for results. But rejection followed him everywhere.
Sorry, Amit. Your technical knowledge is good, but your communication skills in English are very weak. We suggest you work on your English speaking and try again.
Amit felt broken. He walked back to his small room, sat on his bed, and thought to himself,
Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I should just give up.
But then he remembered his sister's face, her marriage, and his father's tired eyes. He wiped his tears and decided not to quit. He joined English speaking classes, listened to podcasts, watched English news, and practiced daily. At first, it was very difficult. Sometimes he couldn't understand. Sometimes people laughed at his mistakes, but Amit kept telling himself.
I will not stop. I must learn. I must improve.
Slowly, his confidence improved. Day by day, word by word, Amit transformed himself. And finally, the day arrived. Amit attended another interview at a big MNC company.
Congratulations, Amit. You are selected. Welcome to our company.
Amit was overjoyed. He got the job with a good salary. He proudly gave his first salary to his father. Father got emotional and said,
You are the real strength of this family. You didn't just arrange for your sister's marriage. You gave us respect and hope.
This story teaches us that life may knock us down, but determination and self-improvement can lift us higher than ever. Amit's journey from rejection to success proves one thing. Skills can always be learned, and with hard work, anyone can rise above their circumstances. So if you are struggling with English or any other skill, remember, do not give up. Work on yourself, and one day, success will knock on your door. Now it's time for bonus point. Let's learn some useful vocabulary and phrases from this story. Dowry, money or gifts demanded in marriage by the groom's family. Example, dowry is still a problem in many parts of the world. Transform, to change completely, usually for the better. Example, hard work can transform your life. Destiny had other plans. Means life changed in an unexpected way. Don't give up. Means keep trying even when it's hard. Fight back. Means to not accept failure and try harder. Step by step, word by word. Means improving slowly but steadily. Success will knock on your door. Means one day, opportunities will come to you. You have completed your today's listening lesson. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more English listening practice stories. See you in the next video.